name is what? My name is my name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is my name is what? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is what? Excuse me. My name is Slim Shady. Can I have the attention of the class for 1 second? My name is Slim Shady.
Hi guys, we are shooting our last evening video. Our video's topic is testing traditional snacks. We
I will
have
cut
a
you.
guest today. Our teacher's son,
O zaman sen bu.
Ömür. Hi Ömür.
Welcome to Ömür.
Welcome.
How are you?
We are in
Can you
Kula
speak English?
National Park. We want to take our video in a different place.
He's hungry.
Here's a great place for taking a video, but we need to find a place that have silence because people make voice. So here's good for this. So here we start to test our snacks.
Yes.
Okay, we will start.
I haven't breakfast, so I'm very hungry.
Me too.
Not just you.
So let's start.
Okay,
Yes.
we will start.
But we will start with börek.
Kisi.
Kısır, yaprak sarma, cake and
Börek.
börek. Can I start?
Yes,
You can start.
We will start it.
I can't cut.
Klasik Ülker bisküvit.
So we want boil a bit. Thanks.
Who do you want tea? Lemonade?
Şak şak evet.
Lemonade.
I haven't cut. Do you want it?
Şak şak.
Okay. It's very tasty.
I don't like that.
Kola.
Can I take a mug?
I can't eat.
Why?
With strawberry.
Tek smoke. Ya.
Thank you.
I think it's very big.
Hiçbir şey. Şaşkın.
I know.
Thanks.
I can eat.
Thanks for the organization.
Bak bu şey.
I'm happy for eating.
Me too.
We must thanks to Muhammed Hoca,
Me too.
right?
Şakşal helvası. Limonata.
Ömür, do you want?
Do you want it? Ömür is not it. Ömür is not it cake. Fatma.
What? Milk. Do you want milk? Biscuit.
Thank you.
We are planning
Okay.
to teach English to Ömür.
Şakşal evet.
No.
Don't use bad words.
Yeah, don't use bad words. You are a good person. You're a good kid.
You are a very good person, right?
Strawberry.
Do you like the milk?
Acık.
So sweetie.
I think it's very beautiful.
Fare.
Ömür can understand, but don't speak.
Vallahi acıdı.
Do you want to try the kısır?
No, thanks.
Why?
I didn't eat kısır even when I'm bored.
Why?
Or
And
sarma.
You should
burger,
try it.
Same time.
I think so too.
I don't like and cheese types. I don't
Did you
like.
try?
Yeah, I didn't eat.
What do you
I
want?
Never.
What do
You
you
are
want?
eat the, you are eat cake?
I will eat.
No.
Ne?
Wait.
But if I eat,
I'm sorry.
Shut up, guys.
Shut up. Bahadır, do you want yaprak sarma?
yeah, of course. Wait. Ah,
He's eating.
Ha.
Oh my god.
Yes.
you can give
What do you want?
5 or 10.
5 or 10?
Yaprak sarma.
5 to 10?
Yeah.
Bahadır, can we eat sarma?
I don't.
Yeah.
I don't.
Thanks.
Kuzu sarma.
Yeah, of course.
Thanks. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hadi kuzu sarmaya da bir.
Absolutely, I'm welcome.
What did you say?
Delicious.
But right. What?
Something tastes like plastic. Wait.
I think it's very good. I love this. Yasemin.
Hello.
Why don't you
Jasmine.
speak, Yasemin?
Delicious. So quiet.
She's enjoying eat something.
Kisir is very delicious.
When we are speaking,
It's very
she's trying to steal each other's food.
No.
You're me. Here's me.
And me.
Our teacher
Hi.
and her child.
Hello.
You're my best friend, Amazon.
Şeyda, do you want to say
My
something?
classmate,
Because you're just
Moonshiro.
eating.
Just classmates.
Because I'm
Thanks.
hungry.
Thanks, father.
Fatma Alpaslan
I can't eating.
We don't know here.
and
Because I can't take.
Yasemin.
Jasmine.
Yasemin. And Şeydanur Kencik.
Kencik.
Why with surname?
Because I want to tell your surname. No reason. And Damla Nur.
Drop.
Second hungry.
Okay.
Second
So what can I
hunger
do with this camera? I can't eat nothing when I'm standing camera. I'm hungry.
I think you can eat.
I understand you.
And it's me, the handsome guy.
That's my best friend.
And my cool guy in the school.
Please don't.
And here is Kızıldağ.
Kızıldağ.
Taki Karaga.
Okay. We are gonna taste our
Cake.
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 But Badr is finished the cake. So
No.
you don't eat. You don't eat. I start. Okay.
Ömür is come again.
I can't.
Amir,
Stop
it's our
myself.
satellite teacher.
I want cake.
Hi, sir. Hi, madam. Sorry. Not sir.
I can't stop to eat.
I started already. It's mine.
If I don't eat nothing, I'm gonna stand up and take the camera.
That was so beautiful. Test it.
Okay, I quit.
What are you doing? Where is my sunglass?
I am the.
I didn't do nothing. I am looking like an ugly girl.
Hey. Okay.
My pretty cake.
I think Damla and Yasemin talk because we don't talk to. Never.
National Park of Kızıldağ. Here's the uncle walking through.
Hey, uncle, how are you?
Uncle Grandpa.
Ben uncle. Uncle Ben.
Like my dad.
Sorry,
Okay.
So great.
okay, we
Thank you
finished
so
our
much
video.
Yeah.
We
Take care.
test different snacks.
Did you enjoy?
You
Yeah.
enjoy this video?
Yes.
Of course you enjoy because you eat like an animal. You eat a lot.
Great.
Of
Definitely.
What?
course, both of you. It's more than me. In a normal day, I don't eat as much as you.
Thanks, Bob.
It's great.
I
Yeah.
don't know you, but I will continue.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, guys. I will miss you.
See you.
I won't miss you. Get on.
Thanks for watching
Thanks
us.
for watching.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and comment.
Thanks